This is how I created a built-in Murphy bed using the Create-A-Bed Deluxe Murphy Bed Kit. I had this awkward wall in my basement with a bulkhead, and I wanted to transform my basement into a flex office, gym, and guest room, so a Murphy bed was perfect for this area. I found this kit by Create-A-Bed and decided to try it after reading great reviews and also seeing how affordable it was compared to the other Murphy bed kits on the market. It comes with all of the hardware needed to create a Murphy bed. I purchased all of the lumber required and had it delivered to my house, and then got started with the assembly. First and foremost, I had to cut down my sheets of plywood. This is what the main structure of the Murphy bed is built out of. Once all those pieces were cut down, I got to work on building the actual bed frame. The instructions for the Create-A-Bed system are extremely detailed and easy to follow along. It lets you know the exact cuts, and it even gives you some templates for pieces. This right here was the actual bed rail, and it needed a rounded corner, and it gave me a template to use to cut that out. I always get questions about the assembly of this bed, and it is designed for both DIYers and professionals. And like I said before, the instructions are super clear and easy to follow along. In addition to the step-by-step instructions, there are also detailed video guides to help you walk through the assembly process with ease. I will admit that I was pretty intimidated by the process of building this, but it actually turned out to be much more straightforward than I thought. A Murphy bed is a great option if you're limited on space. I decided to customize my Murphy bed and surround it with built-in storage cabinetry. This system is super customizable. This is what it looks like when it's all finished, and then I added my own finishing touches. Like this baseboard that was only attached to the surrounding cabinetry and not to the built-in. When I close it, it sits flush and it looks like it's all one piece. I also added some finishing trim to match the trim that I added to the surrounding cabinetry. I also created a little headboard shelf with a power strip for charging. I love that it blends in so seamlessly when it's closed, and whenever we need to use the space as a guest room, we just simply pull down the Murphy bed. The adjustable mechanism on the kit allows you to fine-tune the lifting strength, ensuring smooth and effortless operation. It is built to last and is such great quality. This kit also comes in different bed sizes. I absolutely love the customization.